Understanding CMYK. Today we will learn about how we can use about CMYK color coding and how can we mix the color in it. What is CMYK? First of all, we will learn about what is CMYK. CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, key mean black color. Used in printing and graphic design. So we can use CMYK color in our printing and graphic designings, different from RGB screen versus print. CMYK versus RGB, a red, green, blue, light based screen, CMYK ink based. In the RGB we use light based screens, while in the CMYK we use ink based print. RGB is additive and CMYK is subtractive. So we add the colors in RGB and we subtract the color in CMYK. How CMYK works? CMY are primary printing colors. So black means K adds depth and details. Printing mixes percentages of the each color. Example, 50% of cyan, 0% of magenta, 100% of yellow and 0% of K mean black color. The combination of these combinations can make this greenish shade. I will tell you about in details in the practice. So this is the colors code of cyan, magenta, yellow and black. If you create cyan color, its code will be 100 and all except R will be 0. Magenta 100, yellow 100 and black 100. You can find out all the colors except the specific color coding and excepts are 0. Mixing colors in CMYK. If you mix cyan and yellow equally, it makes the green color. If you mix the magenta and yellow equally, 100, so it creates a red color. Cyan and magenta will create the blue color. Equally 100, okay. Complex CMYK combinations. Look at here. If you combine these colors in this way, 25% cyan, 70% magenta and yellow and K 00, so pinkish purple you can find out this color. Teal color you can make with the help of C60, M30, Y20 and K10. So you can find out the teal color in this way. Using CMYK in the software, Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDRAW Sport, CMYK colors. Choose CMYK mode when designing for printing. Set CMYK in software before starting your project. Set CMYK in software before starting your project. CMYK in printing. Printers separate images into 4-color CMYK. Combine ink created full color printers. Exact CMYK values are important for professional printing. Avoid colors too bright for print RGB only colors. Always check a printed proof. Use Pantone colors for consistency. CMYK printing colors subtractive mixing. K black improve depth and contrast. Percentage control color output. CMYK printing color subtractive mixing. K black improve the depth and contrast. Percentage control color output. Experiment with CMYK in your designs. So here is the CMYK colors coding tutorial. So when you make any color, if I want to add any color in this rectangle, so I will press the Shift F11 here. By default it will cover the black color and this is the color model CMYK. So this is name is black color here and I'm going to get the color of CMYK is equal to 100. If I say I just want to 2% of K, so you can find out here this is the 2% of K. Okay. And now shift F11 here again. And if I add some yellow here, 5% I want to add the yellow. So you will find out such a this color here, such a this color here. Okay. And shift F11 again. So I'm going to add different colors. Okay, two. And now magenta, I am going to add magenta with the 10% here, magenta. So this is the combination of these colors. So this is a mixing of the colors that you can create different colors if you have the color codings here. Okay. And now I'm going to 25% of the magenta, cyan. So you can find out this color is here. Okay. And now if I want to make a green color, so how can I make the green colors here? So I'm going to, this is, this is 0 and this is 100 and this is yellow is also 100 and K is here. Look at here, K is here, and now we have this color. But I am going to create 100 and now this is yellow is this one. So you can find out here cyan and magenta will create this blue color. But if I mix both three colors, all of three colors I mix, so I can make this color. And if I make this one cyan and yellow, so it will mix the, after mixing this color I can create this green color. So lot of combinations I can make with the help of this CMYK. Like, share, subscribe for more designs tutorials.